सो फ्रेंड्स, माई चाय ऑफ द मॉर्निंग। मैं कमल घोड़ाई, जमशेदपुर से। और अभी जस्ट ऑफिस से आया हूँ। और ऑफिस से आने के बाद चाय कॉफ़ी मुझे बहुत पसंद है सन ठंडा का समय में। लेकिन यू बिलीव मी, लास्ट 2.5 years आई टोटली मैं पूरी चाय कॉफ़ी को बंद कर दिया हूँ। और उसके जगह में अभी शाम का टाइम हो रहा है तो ग्रीन टी, this is the green tea. And don't think this is other drink color is like some, you can understand. But yes, this is the green tea. And I like to drink green tea. This is the My Recharge Ayurveda company, marketed by My Recharge Ayurveda, and special quality it is. And you can see this is My Recharge Ayurveda. I love My Recharge. So today I'm enjoying my green tea. And definitely in morning also I totally stop to drink tea and coffee. Marichis Ayurveda also sell some better quality Assam tea and instant coffee also. But I totally stop that kind of drink also. But in that place in morning it is Mangol or fruit juice Mangol, very energetic. And this is very good for health, this Mangol drink. And afternoon or evening, this green tea, my favorite. And yes, so much tasty also. And it reduce cholesterol and fat also, excess fat. Also keep you energetic, because tannin is there. And in raw form, so no milk, no sugar added, only just boil your water and put some 1 spoon green tea, and then kept it for 5 to 10 minutes. Mm, After that you take this drink and enjoy. This is a very good habit. And I also request you to make such kind of a habit. And yes, very good, because our health is the most key factor in our journey. Health good, you are good, your job good, your work is good, everything good. So take care your health. And bye, goodbye.